Every request that you make against a secured resource in the blobs, files, queues, or tables must be authorized. Authorization ensures that the resources in your storage account are accessible only when you want them to be, and it is accessible only to those users or applications to whom you grant access. In this video, let's talk about the options that we have for authorizing requests to the storage account. First one is Active Directory. Active Directory is a centralized source of authentication. So Azure AD is Microsoft's cloud-based IAM solution. IAM is Identity and Access Management. So Azure AD integration is currently in preview for blobs and queues. With Azure AD, you can assign fine-grained access to users, groups, or applications through role-based access controls. Shared key. Shared key authorization relies on your account access keys. And there are other parameters to produce an encrypted signature string that is passed on the request in the authorization header. You can also use SAS, which is shared access signatures. Shared access signatures delegate access to a particular resource in your account. That is done with specific permissions and over a specified time interval. It means that if I give the shared access signature to you, you can do just as much as permissions I have given, plus only for a specified amount of time that I have written in the shared access signature. The last one is anonymous access to containers and blobs. When creating a container or the blob, you have an option to make it anonymous. So you can make your blob resources public at the container or the blob level. A public container or a blob is accessible to any user for anonymous read access. So read requests to public containers and blobs do not require authorization. And when do we do this? We do this when you want to create web applications. So you want your customers to access your websites in a read-only mode.